Hey, Sam here today. Today I'm doing edge banding. And this is something, it's not really hard. And most of the time this stuff will stick to your wood like I'm using some plywood and I just want to cover up the layers here and plus it was requested. And well, anyway, what this really is, it's a piece of real wood cut really thin, and it's just coated with hot melt glue. That's really all it is. And this stuff is really easy to put on, but you're gonna need there's an easy tool to use for this. Some of you might not know what it is, and it's a clothes iron. Yeah, this thing's becoming obsolete. People don't really iron their clothes anymore. So, you can pick one of these up at a yard sale for about $5 or even less. It actually works. And you're going to use this to heat up your edge banding when you put it on. So, I got my trusty wood vise. That's what I'm using anyway. So, I got my piece of plywood here. And I'm going to sand the top of it. I'm going to make it pretty smooth because that gives you the best chance of this stuff sticking to it. So now I'm going to measure it out, cut this stuff with a pair of scissors. And I'm going to lay it out here, and I like for it to overlap on both ends. And it's going to overlap on the sides also. So now you're going to take your hot iron, and now you're going to iron this thing on. And it's really easy to do because all you're doing, you're heating this up, melting that hot melt glue under there. And you just go back and forth, real easy. Nothing to it. Some people say, okay, well, when you know enough's enough. Well, since this is oak, if I start smelling oak, I know it's good and hot. So now you can get people tell you or other people show you, okay, you need to roll this down, rub it or whatever. If you rub it, you're going to get splinters sometimes. So what I do is, all you just need is a bolt. This is a simple bolt. And you're just going to take this thing and just rub it flat. And what that's going to help do is spread out that glue underneath of there. Now, I got an edge trimmer and I just can't find it. And of course you can't buy one right now because everybody's out of everything. So then you just trim the edges off. And usually I make sure that edge is sanded good. And you can just use a regular razor knife. Cut this off. Go down the sides like that right there. And you can use all kinds of stuff to trim this, but whatever suits you, that's what's going to be the best thing. You can also break this stuff off. I don't recommend that because you chip it. You're going to sand this off. Make sure you put your sander flat against your wood. It's not going to tear it or anything. Some people, well, they might use a hand plane. Well, hand plane works fine, and but to me it's a little slow, but it works good. So looks like oak, and well, there you go. And this thing will stay on there. It's going to stay on there for a long time. So it's really not hard. Yeah, you just need a good clothes iron. Works perfect for this. And you can use a razor knife, a little block plane. Of carpet trimmer, knife, or you can go out and buy a trimmer for this. If that's what you want to do. But locally, none of my stores has one, so, and I can't find the one that I have. So, well, that's all there is to it. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.